In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a QR code in Telegram to join a group using the built-in Telegram QR scanner. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your recent chats. Before you start scanning anything, it's a good idea to confirm that you're running the latest version of the app. Updating ensures that the QR scanner works smoothly and that you have all the current features and security fixes. Now, to access the QR scanner, look for the settings area in Telegram. On most devices, you'll find this by tapping the menu icon or your profile icon at the top of the screen. That will open a menu where you can see your account details and various options. In that section, you should see an option related to devices or a QR icon, which is where Telegram keeps the built-in QR scanner. Go ahead and tap that QR option. The app will now open your camera directly inside Telegram. If this is your first time using it, you might see a prompt asking for camera permission. Allow access so Telegram can use your camera to read QR codes. Without this permission, the scanner will not work. With the camera open, point your phone steadily at the QR code you want to scan. Make sure the entire code is visible on your screen and try to keep your hand as still as possible. The app usually detects the code automatically within a second or two. You don't need to press any extra buttons. Good lighting helps a lot here, so if the code is not scanning, move to a brighter spot, or wipe your camera lens in case it's smudged. Once Telegram recognizes the QR code, it will show you a preview of what that code does. In this case, it should display the group you're being invited to join. Take a moment to check the group name and details so you know exactly where you're going. When you're ready, tap the Join button that appears on the screen. After you tap Join, Telegram will add you to that group, and you'll be able to see the chat history, members, and new messages as they come in. If you ever change your mind, you can leave the group at any time from the group info page. That's all you need to do to scan a QR code in Telegram and quickly join any supported group using the built-in Telegram QR scanner.